This your cover page is wrong now. It's wrong now.
Chai!
Did you read the materials I sent to you? Elvis, did you go through the materials I sent to you? Your sources are wrong now. Your sources are wrong. You did not even properly research. You did not do anything. Your citation, is this the proper citation? See your reference style. Come on now. No. I won't accept this. Elvis, I won't accept this. Carry the camera, come. Are you a student? Or are you a scholar? Or a research person? Anybody at all, whoever you are, I've come with a very beautiful secret tool for you. Google's NotebookLM. Have you heard of it? Now, Google NotebookLM helps you summarize PDFs, helps you get sources, helps you do your research work. You could upload links, you could upload documents to it. It can convert your documents to an audio file and sound like a podcast as though two people are discussing. You don't have to worry about your examinations, materials, and all those things. Upload it and to summarize it. Even ask some kind of questions too. You could prompt it to ask some questions. You could prompt it to... What are we not saying now? Let's dive right into it. On your web browser, Chrome, or whatever browser you use, type in NotebookLM.google. There's this particular. Okay, this is what you see on your page, on your browser, be it your phone or your laptop. You create a new notebook. Okay, let's click on that. Now, once you create a new notebook, you can add sources, PDF sources, audio sources, Google Drive links, websites, YouTube's. You could paste the text and everything. You have a limit of 0 to 50, from 0 to 50. So whatever source you're working with, be it for your projects, be it for your research work, and you want to get more information from it, or you want to prepare for examinations, just click on upload source, choose from files. Let's use this material here. So it's going to load up the source, and then you see this title right here. Perfect. So you could see that this is the document I uploaded. The math sites, type, modes, and actions. Okay, so you could come over here and ask it question. Bring out all citations properly. So from the source you provided, you could have all the information cited in that material. You could have it all listed out for you. Now, if you want it to be more interesting, let's say possible exam questions. So it's going to bring out set of possible exam questions for you to study and all that. Look at every one of it. Now, if I click on Studio, you could see that I could create under here. You could see study guide. If I click on that to show me a study guide, you can click on briefing doc. It summarizes the entire document to a brief. Click on timeline. But here, this is where it gets interesting. You could have an audio overview of your source, of the document you uploaded. So it's going to look like two hosts in a podcast. So you're listening to it as though two persons are having a conversation. So you could make it shorter, longer, or default. Or what should the AI host focus on and all that. So if I click on generate, it's going to generate conversations. Now this is where it's so interesting because you can sit down doing other things.
Picture this, there's this hidden war happening constantly right beneath our feet. Microscopic organisms just relentlessly attacking silently damaging our food supply.
Yeah, nematodes, these tiny worm-like creatures.
Exactly. And if you don't manage them, they pose this, significant challenge to agriculture.
So you could share the audio
So the
link.
really big question is,
You
how
could
on earth
as
do we
well
manage
as
these unseen
download
threats to make
directly
sure,
to your
we actually have
device,
enough food? Today we're
and you could join in the
the
conversation and ask questions as well.
Whoa, did someone just break the fourth wall? Let's hear it.
Elvis. What is this thing I'm seeing in between this thing? You want to bribe me? I don't need it, okay? I don't need it. But just leave it there.
What's going on here?
Oh, leave it there. Okay, appreciation. All right. This is better. Citation, perfect. Reference is perfect. You use NotebookLM, right? It's fine. I heard you know about it. Good one. Nobody gets A in my project, but I'll see what I can do. So, yeah. So if you learned something new, drop a thank you in the comment section. Like, share, comment. And stay tuned for more of Dike Darion. Alright? Stay jiggy, guys. Okay? Be serious with the academics. No, now for me, I'm not taking any other this information. No. That's no.